To install the aluminum door kit on your RZR Pro R, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat level surface and ensure it is in park. Begin by removing the two bracket fasteners and trim bracket from the bottom rear of the door panel. Then, remove the 11 door panel fasteners. Continue by carefully removing the door panel from the door frame. Next, install the longer provided fastener through the rear bottom hole inside of the door frame and into the second shortest spacer on the outside. Then, install another of the longer provided fasteners through the forwardmost bottom hole inside of the door frame and into the second longest spacer on the outside. Before continuing, repeat this process for the upper rearmost hole in the door frame. Next, install the longer fastener through the frontmost hole inside the door frame and into the longest spacer on the outside. Then, install the two shorter fasteners into the uppermost holes inside the door frame and into the shortest spacers on the outside. Before continuing, torque all fasteners to specification. Next, align the door panel with the spacers on the door frame and loosely install the top two shorter fasteners. Then, install the remaining 4 longer fasteners. Finally, torque all fasteners to specification. Before finishing, verify proper operation of the door and adjust as needed. Finally, repeat this process for the other door. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.